The idea is I only want to do about 20 books a week. Guys, we did it. We freaking did it. We're back on Amazon, baby. All right, so you might be asking yourself or me how we're back on Amazon after being banned. B-A-N-N-E-D, banned on Amazon. I made a video about it, got a lot of views from it. We got banned by Amazon, and that was for drop shipping. Drop shipping is illegal on Amazon. I was not fully aware of that when I did it. However, got in trouble, got banned. Fast forward over a year. That was February 2020 when I got banned. It is now March 2021. And I was approached by someone who I have a long-time relationship with that they needed help with their Amazon account. And they said, look, I know that you need to be able to make videos about Amazon. If you're not familiar, I have an Amazon book selling course on udemy.com. It's a beginning to end course on how to sell books on Amazon. I also have videos here on YouTube about that stuff. Well, the issue I run into is that people come to me with lots of questions. Amazon is ever changing. They're ever adjusting, pivoting, whatever you want to call it. And I end up in this very awkward position where I want to help people that have bought my course, that watch my videos, that ask the questions, but I can't because I can't get into my seller account in order to help people. That brings us to today. This person approached me and said, hey, if you want, I can make you an authorized user, an employee on my account. You can buy and sell books through my account. We will split profits, only books and retail arbitrage, meaning things that we are allowed to sell, that we physically lay hands on, then send into Amazon FBA or merchant fulfill them. They said you can sell through my account. We will split all profits 50-50. And so they have a scanning app, I have a scanning app, and I'm an authorized user on their account. And so that being said, we are back in the Amazon game. I don't have my Amazon account back. I could not get that figured out. It was not in the cards. It did not work out. However, this person trusts me enough and trusts that I have learned my lesson enough to grant me access to their account as an authorized user. Now I'm headed out to the thrift. Actually, I have to go to the post office. Once I go to the post office, then I will go to the thrift and hopefully score a few books. The idea is I only want to do about 20 books a week starting out. Our goal is that in the first month, let's try to bring home $200 profit. Let's target those really fast selling books and bring in $200 profit that we will split 50-50. So 100 for this person, 100 for myself. That's a good first month goal. So now let's get to the thrift and see what we can find. All right, guys, so we are back from our first day as Amazon sellers. I went to the bookstore and honestly, it was very not what I thought it would be. I thought I'd be super pumped. It'd be back sourcing books to sell on Amazon, but honestly, I realized a lot's changed and I don't love it like I used to. I used to be like so all about it. Pretty much the entire time I found myself just wishing I could go to the thrift store. We did find 11 books and each book will bring a profit anywhere from $3 to $40. There was only a couple books that were really high profit. And so I picked them up. They were $1 each. We will definitely make some money. And I'm focusing my attention on merchant fulfilling these books so that I don't have to send them into the Amazon FBA fulfillment center and then wait for them to sell that way and potentially have to pay storage costs. I just want to sell them quickly And so we're focusing on merchant fulfilling these books. Yeah, wasn't what I thought it would be. I probably will not do a ton of book selling through Amazon. However, I do want to leverage Amazon for other things, maybe private labeling, maybe online arbitrage. We'll see where it goes from here. I'm not putting any pressure on myself. Definitely not switching from being a thrift reseller to the Amazon book reseller route. That's just not in the cards for me at this present moment. Maybe in a year, maybe in 6 months, maybe I will change my mind. But for right now, I am sticking with eBay reselling things that I find at the thrift store. And so I did go to the thrift store. After that, I did go to the thrift store, but that'll be in the next video. And so I have all this stuff here in the trunk of the thrift mobile, and I will share that with you on the next video. Thanks for watching this. It's super exciting to be back on Amazon, but it's also a little bit of a bummer that it's not what I thought it would be. But hey, we got some books, we got some profit, we got the little bag here. I'm still pumped about it. Forward progress. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing. And as always, I'll see you on the next video.